Here we're going to talk about what are called embedded curtain walls. Embedded curtain walls are curtain systems that are inside another wall, and they'll basically cut out holes in a wall that's kind of like this, like a 12-inch exterior layout. And this can be used as a method to create a punched window aesthetic. It can be used to create a half window wall with sort of an opaque surrounding. It can also be used to create ribbon windows. So I'm going to show you the general steps that you would take here. The first step is to create a new family that will embed into this wall. You can select one of your systems and go to create similar, or you can go to architecture, curtain wall. Whatever system that you want to duplicate to put in this wall, it's basically the same process. We're going to edit the type here. I'm going to duplicate this and call it embed. And there is a parameter under the construction type that is automatically embed. We want to check that. And everything else is going to be the same as our normal conditions, right? Like based on the rectangular mullions, the mullion shape, the layout, the vertical layout, etc. So I'm going to hit OK here. And now what I can do is, if I want a window, let's say here, that's like a big square window on the third level, I'll go to the third floor plan. And again, let's just go ahead and change this. And that would be right here, right? Let's say I want like a big square window that goes a little bit over this structural element. So I'm going to choose that embed curtain wall. I'm going to modify the parameters, so it's going to start at level 3, but I want to give it a base offset of, say, like 3 feet, and I want it to go up to level 4. So that's fine, and I can change these later. But I'm going to just place this inside of the wall, and here you can see that if I turn shaded mode on, it's basically going to literally cut a hole in the wall. And we can go to a 3D view here, and there you can see that it is being placed successfully. So I can edit this type, and this is a new type now, so it's not going to affect the other ones, but I can change this vertical grid. Let's just give us a none, and let's delete these. So I have a big window, and maybe I can pull this up, to make it more square, just so you see this sort of cross that happens at the structure. So that is essentially it. I mean, the logic is that this is just a wall. If you go to the level 3, you can expand this wall and contract it so you can create ribbon windows, but really just pay attention to the grid layout and getting that to work. So this is a very easy way to create a window inside of a wall for a variety of reasons.